Hey, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and this is going to be our March Madness project that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. Yay! So, yes, as promised, I told you that I would do a notepad holder number 2 that would hold, you know, the great big 8.5 by 11 notepad. So this is what we're doing for our March Madness project. Okay, so I'm going to show you what all it's going to entail. And I don't have all the details on it yet, so as soon as the details come available, I will share them with you guys. I do know March Madness is going to start March 15th, so be keeping an eye out for videos because I'll start releasing them March 15th, okay? This thing measures 12 by 10, and it does have the craft text spine, okay, and there's the back of it, and it does have the chipboard cover too. The reason I done the craft text binding is because of this. You can fold this back, put it on your lap, and do whatever you need, you know, write notes, whatever you need to do. And it would fold back like that and fit perfectly on your lap to use it. So that is my reasoning of using the craft text, okay guys? And plus it's durable, and I love craft text. As you know, a lot of my projects, I have craft text. Okay, let's start at the very beginning. And here you have a pocket, and this is just something I picked up at Dollar General, Dollar Tree. It's last year's calendar, I just happened to see it, but it fits nice right there. I need to get me an updated one to put in here. But yeah, so you know, you could put your calendar or whatever right in there and always have your calendar with this. Then you have a pocket here for, you know, whatever. Then you have a nice big pocket right here, guys, that you can stick your notes in, or, you know, whatever. And then here you have two nice big pockets. So let's say this is a note. And so, yep, pretty nice, guys. And I love this paper. And I will be decorating mine with Prima paper, just not this. This is Autumn Sunset or something like that. I will not be decorating it with this. I'm going to be decorating it with the Darcella collection, okay? So then you have this, and we also have a pen holder over here. So it will hold your pen, too. Yay! So here, I just done it with some jute. I mean, you can use magnets, whatever, you know, you prefer. And I just added some little hearts onto it. This opens up. And then you have a pocket here that you could stick, you know, maybe you want to keep some embellishments. Or, you know, whatever. Phone at your, maybe your passwords to your computer, you know. Over here is a nice generous pocket, and I just used 2 envelopes. I'm going to put stickers in one. I'm going to put embellishments in the other one, because when I'm writing letters, I like to put little stickers or embellishments and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm using mine for. But you know, you could do anniversaries, birthdays, you know, just whatever. This makes for a great gift to make. I know you guys really like the notepad holder one that I done for you guys. And I had a request, you know, what about the great big pad? You know, so here it is, guys. I'm finally getting around to it. And I thought, what a great project to do for March Madness. I've done March Madness now for the last 3 years. And so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys too. So this pad just comes completely out, And I haven't decorated this yet. I don't know if I will. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But it just fits, you know, you just take your pad and put your new pad in here and you're good to go. Just like that, guys. I love this. I love it. And I hope you guys, oh, I forgot to show you guys. Here's the birthdays and anniversaries. Or, you know, whatever you want. They're pull-outs, so you can keep your papers. And I used my envelope punch board to create this. And it just slides back in this pocket here. I can't believe I forgot about that. And then this one has it too. This one here, I got a little bit shorter. But this one here, I designed it to where the tab, it won't go all the way in like this one does. So I fixed that problem. You know, so you can put your passwords to your computer, anniversaries, birthdays that you don't want to forget. You know, just whatever. It's really versatile, guys. And this just fits right back in here. I will be providing you guys with a cutting guide. I'm working on that right now. So as the details get, when it gets closer, probably within this week, I will probably get all the details worked out and so I can get the cutting guide to you guys, so you guys can make this. Okay. All right. This is our March Madness project. The note holder number 2, and this starts March 15th. Oh, God. I will be releasing the videos, so keep an eye out for it, guys. Okay. Hey, we will talk to you guys later, and give me thumbs up if you like this, and we'll be talking to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.